what we do. This is why we act so silly. There's 3 of us, sisters. Lord Jesus. All right, and somebody gave Julie some very high heels, or as I call them, pole climbers.
These are fun.
Oh, you got it, Isaboo. Go, girl.
I feel like easily in hell.
These match my shirt. Those aren't as high as mine, I don't think.
Rhonda, you like a giraffe.
They're so fun.
See if I'm tall as you. Oh, that bun you got makes you a little taller.
All right, let's see your best stripper dance. Y'all know I am recording this, right? Oh my God. It's too X-rated to go on Facebook, but I will share it for sure.
That's how I swear.
Twerk, y'all twerk. Twerk.
Don't break the tomato.
Bella's jumping in them. How are we following? God, Bella.
And here comes a kid and a dog. Lord Jesus.
Oh God! Hey, y'all can't stand
Rhonda, sing the song.
How can you feel so bad laughing so if I can?
If you dance on a pole, it don't make you a hoe. It's all about that money.
All right, Rhonda, give us your Red Hot Chili Peppers impersonation.
Oh my God! I don't know what you're talking
I'm gonna feel my pants. Do the Red Hot Chili Peppers, Rhonda.
I don't like chili
Don't
peppers.
let Dwayne see me.
Oh my God!
On his car. I was talking about the car, not the hills.
Rhonda, you look like a model with your little bun and.
You do. You look good in them.
Yeah, I look like a model.
America's top middle-aged model. Is there a shirt called that?
I look like that. Is McKenna in there?
Yeah.
She should be.
Where is Ainsley? Is she ever coming? The baby's in the car.
Collar.
She was supposed to do it. Go
Call
call
Ainsley.
cousin.
Please, Billy.
Go, take them off. You can run in them.
Go, go, go.
Tell her to come here a minute.
Don't wear them in. It'll spoil our surprise.
Yeah.
Lisa, where's
No,
yours?
Dwayne's in the bed.
I
You
got-
have to go get her. Don't yell.
Chuck Taylor's on. That's the best thing to do, boo. I got benign toes. The pole climbers are hard on my feet.
I want some like stilettos in them.
Lord.
You dance on a pole, even if it's a broom. It's all about. That's my new cleaning business.
Ansley, I have this on video, by the way, and I'll sell you a copy.
This party scarred for life.
Look, hey, y'all show them how you twerk together. Y'all twerk.
Well,
Twerk.
what y'all doing?
Julie, Rhonda, y'all twerk together. Oh my God. Oh. That's not twerking, by the way.
Oh my God.
I was gonna give these Goodwill, but they're way too much fun.
You're not going to post this anywhere, are you?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna share this on everybody.
Post that everywhere.
Your mom actually looks pretty good, to be honest. So do, that your mom.
I just got stuck in between Ansley's bed.
And the wall.
Yeah, I could not get up, and all the blood rushed to my head.
Rhonda, you're like a giraffe on crack.
It's all about that money.
Oh my
That's
God.
the only song they know.
No, watch. Do your Red Hot Chili Peppers impersonation for these girls.
Oh my God.
You want to try those?
MG.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to throw those old shoes of mine away. I've got some new ones.
And wear those.
Yeah, I'm going to wear these to clean tomorrow.
You should.